Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at applyf.com, a website claiming you can join a Sephora product reviewer program to test beauty products and earn rewards. It sounds like a dream come true for anyone who loves free mascara, but in reality, it's more of a well-contoured nightmare. The first red flag is the domain age. According to records, the site was registered in June 2025. Apparently, these people are operating from the future, which would be impressive if it wasn't a blatant sign that they have absolutely no track record or reputation to lean on. The professionalism continues with a complete lack of a contact us page, privacy policy, or terms and conditions. If you actually encounter a problem, your only recourse is to scream into the digital void and hope for the best. It's hard to trust a business that treats its basic contact information like a state secret. To make matters even sketchier, the site doesn't even stay on its own domain, redirecting you through multiple pages before landing on something called uplevelrewards.com. These constant redirects are the online equivalent of a shady guy in an alley telling you the real shop is just 3 more blocks away. When you attempt the application process, they ask you to complete simple deals, which is usually just a fancy way of saying they want to harvest your personal data for marketing. They even use cheap urgency tricks, like fake countdowns, to pressure you into acting fast. They're promising $750 just for reviewing beauty products, which is a payout so high it makes you wonder if they think we were all born yesterday. They claim an association with Sephora, yet there isn't a shred of proof to back that up anywhere on the internet. The site also features annoying pop-ups claiming people like Esmeralda from San Francisco just received massive weekly payouts. Of course, there are no photos or last names to verify Esmeralda actually exists outside of a scammer's imagination. Meanwhile, places like Trustpilot and Reddit are completely silent about this program. That level of silence speaks volumes. Given the shady redirects, the unbelievable promises, and the lack of transparency, applyf.com is about as trustworthy as a chocolate teapot. Do yourself a favor and avoid this site to keep your personal information safe. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.